I'm Heather with WTI. Check out these Banord Outdoor Smart String Lights. They have shatterproof bulbs, great for the kids that always want to help with setup, right? The lights extend a total of 48 feet bulb to bulb. These LED patio lights are waterproof, beautiful colors, and can be operated by remote for ease. Of course, we lose remotes pretty quickly around here, so fortunately, they also can be controlled by the app and are compatible with Alexa and Google too. So the app is easy to use and you can choose colors and the display as well. Here's a few examples. Best part about these lights is the small microphone built in so they can light up to the beat of your music. How cool is this? We have had some fun with this, from outdoor movie nights and marshmallow parties to patio hangouts and dance parties. We even hung them around the play set for some fun evening play for the neighborhood kids. They love getting to move to the music and see the lights do the same. And just in case you're wondering how they do in the cold weather, these have been outside in freezing temperatures for 5 days. They're just fine. They work beautifully. My personal favorite use for them is when I'm here under the moon using just the simple white setting. The Banord lights have been so useful, endless possibilities for fun and beauty. You're gonna love them, but that's my point of view.